what makes a singer sound really cool to listen to? Variety in the voice. You wouldn't want to sing something that's supposed to sound epic. You're my best friend. Like, you're my best friend. It needs some shazazz. What can you do to add variety to your voice? Well, one thing you can do is vary the volumes and the intensities throughout the song. Sing some of the words with lower volumes than others, and play around with backing off of the intensity on some parts of the song with a more breathy, soft voice, and leaning into other parts of the song with more intensity. Also, don't forget to add some emotion. It'll be more enjoyable for you as the singer, and of course for anyone that's listening, because it's not just the words you're singing, it's how you're singing.